Spring Festival is absolute carnage. Ksenia's been held at immigration. There's some issues with Hong Kong and Ukraine at the moment, so yeah, hopefully everything's okay. She's through. No way, someone was watching my video. Hey, you ready?
Yeah.
Just left the hotel. First day in Phu Quoc. Let's go to the beach. Let's go! It's too hot, we're going back to the hotel.
Are they taking video for this now?
I have to. He complains I need to make a video, then when I make a video she complains. Fucking win. That was a massage.
Amazing. Did you feel what did she put on your face?
Just like a mask or something. Nice German beer. Do not climb that mountain wearing a mask. Fuck. We've got some spring rolls, beef skewers.
And different kind of tuna.
The start was like a 2 out of 5. These beef skewers are like 4 out of 5, so tasty. We had some po noodles, 95,000. Definitely recommend it when you come to Vietnam. Now we're going on a bamboo boat.
I think it's at the bamboo boat. Just
Bye bye.